Israel-Gaza latest, Israeli troops to enter major city within 48 hours, UK withdraws staff from Lebanon embassy. Israeli troops have divided Gaza in two, the Israel Defense Forces, IDF, have said. The IDF is expected to enter Gaza City, which is encircled, within 48 hours, according to Israeli media. Israeli troops divide Gaza Strip in two. IDF says ex-Israeli troops have divided the Gaza Strip in two, the Israel Defense Forces has said. Today there is North Gaza and South Gaza, Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari told reporters, calling it a significant stage in Israel's war against the Hamas militant group. Israeli media reports that troops are expected to enter Gaza City, which is encircled, within 48 hours. In pictures, displaced Palestinians shelter at hospital in Gaza City. More than 700,000 people have been displaced in Gaza since the start of the Israel-Hamas conflict on October 7. According to the latest United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine Refugees in the Near East, UNRWA, figures. Some have fled their homes to hide in UN facilities, while others shelter in hospitals. In these images, you can see many displaced Palestinians fleeing their homes and heading to Shifa Hospital in Gaza City. Mr. Hagari also said that his country's troops were striking Hamas targets both above ground and in the group's underground network of tunnels. Earlier today, Israeli planes again dropped leaflets urging people to head south during a 4-hour window. Israel's military said a one-way corridor would continue for residents in the north to flee to the southern part of Gaza. IDF arrests 38 people in West Bank. The Israel Defense Forces says it arrested 38 people in the West Bank overnight. 5 were members of the Hamas militant group, according to an IDF statement. The IDF said its troops had stones thrown at them while it carried out operations, and that it identified injuries after its forced fired shots in response to a riot breaking out. Watch, Israel ready to respond to Hezbollah. A short time ago, we heard from senior advisor to Israel's Prime Minister, Mark Reich. He was asked by Sky's Kay Burley about how Israel was prepared for a potential attack from Hezbollah from Lebanon. He said the country was mobilized, watching, and ready for any kind of threat from the north. This comes after the UK removed some of its embassy staff from Lebanon on a temporary basis due to the worsening security situation in the country. How are each side using drones? We've just heard from Dr. Peter Lee, a modern warfare expert, who has explained how drones are being used in the Israel-Hamas conflict. He said the equipment was being utilized in a variety of ways, most notably for reconnaissance on the Israeli side. They're really looking for movement on the ground, he said. They're looking to identify entrances to tunnels, and if they happen to see Hamas fighters or equipment or buildings, they're being used to target those. Drones come in all shapes and sizes and can carry a number of different weapons, he said. Dr. Lee added the two sides were using drones very differently, with Hamas focused on offense rather than reconnaissance. Hamas have been incredibly creative with how they're using drones. They have a variation called the kamikaze drone. They are used as attack weapons. As the name suggests, those drones are embarked on one-way trips and are often loaded with explosives that detonate when it physically flies into a target. He added that Hamas had tried to overwhelm the Israeli Iron Dome defense system by using large numbers of drones.